Frying is the favored technique of time-pressed cooks. The chemistry of oils explains the speedy nature of cooking in a frying pan or deep-fat fryer. Frying is one of the fastest ways to cook food. It's quicker than water-based techniques because oil reaches temperatures far greater than water. Frying typically operates around 175–230 degrees C, compared to a maximum of 100 degrees Celsius for boiling in water. Oil also heats up faster than water and transfers its heat into food far more effectively than even the hottest oven. Frying for flavor cooking in oil is not just about speed and heat, however. When the surface of a frying piece of food, bare or battered, hits 140 degrees Celsius, Maillard browning begins and the food starts to form a flavorful, crunchy surface. At 165 degrees Celsius, sugars in the food caramelize, adding extra complexity of flavors to the food. Butter is one of the most flavorful fats, but it's best to choose a high smoke point oil for frying, because this will allow the oil to heat to the high temperatures necessary for browning and caramelization without the butterfat burning. Oils can be reused several times and get better with use. As some fat molecules react in heat, they develop pleasant flavors and penetrate further into food, giving a denser crust. However, reusing oil excessively will result in too many fats oxidized. The oil becomes rancid and should be discarded. Comparing cooking rates: the table compares the rate at which different cooking methods will cook a whole chicken. Moisture must steam away from the surface of the food before it can exceed 100 degrees Celsius, when it will start browning.